If you have a business, you need to start a YouTube channel. My name's Fred, and I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit selling info products directly with YouTube. So that's the power of YouTube, summed up in just one sentence. The number one reason why you need to start making content as a business owner is because YouTube gets you warm leads. Like, think about it this way. You just record a simple video, 10-30 minutes long, you upload it to YouTube. All of that is completely free. Like, you can start with your phone, you can start recording a screen share on your laptop, and even if you do want to buy a camera or a microphone, you can do that for under $1,000. All of it as a business expense deducted from taxes. So you do that, you put the video out there on YouTube, and then it's gonna start getting some views in the background while you're eating, while you're taking meetings, while you're relaxing, not even working. And some people from those videos will think, hey, that's actually super interesting. I want to work with that business, because the more content they watch from you, the longer they stay with you, the more they like you, trust you, and want to buy from you. So then you've got people coming to you every single day or every single month, depending on how much reach you're getting. And these people literally pull out their credit cards and tell you, please let me buy your stuff. That is warm leads summed up. They're so much more fun to work with. They're easier to close. Like, to give you an example, with cold traffic, to a typical book a call funnel, on average, like 50% of people can show up. It's very little. That means, like, if you've got 8 sales calls booked for the day, only 4 people are actually going to show up. The other 4 are going to waste your fucking time and money because you paid for the calls, but they didn't show up. Whereas from content, what I've noticed is 70 to 75% of people actually show up to the calls. And then, out of qualified prospects, you can close 30 to 50%. That's a lot. And all it takes to get started is that you map out who do you want to be talking to, like who is your ideal customer. You know, the whole customer avatar worksheet, you've probably done this before. Just be direct, like who are you talking to specifically? Who is your ideal customer avatar? And then all you gotta do is make a simple video between 6 minutes long all the way to 30-40 minutes, and you can start with only 1 video per week. Then you start seeing some results. If you want to increase the amount of videos you publish to hopefully reach more people, you can do that. But this is great. It is extremely powerful because content gives you leverage. Yes, you could post your piece of content and only 10 people view it. It's not that many, right? But also 100 people could view it. And how often have you been in front of 100 potential clients right now in your niche? Like literally physically in front of them. Not that often, probably. So just because we get these numbers online, we don't value them, but 100 people actually watched your content. That's nuts. And then the video could get 10,000 views, 100,000 views, and it didn't take you more time to make to reach more people, or you didn't have to spend more money. That's why YouTube has insane leverage. The only downside compared to ads is that you don't control how many views you're going to be getting directly. Unfortunately, we can't control that. Otherwise, it'd be too good to be true. There has to be a downside. By the way, if you want to learn exactly how I stopped selling my time and made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit, selling high-ticket info products through YouTube mainly, you can check out the free training in the video. It explains exactly how I did that. It's quick, I won't take up too much of your time. But most importantly, on that page, you can apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. So on that call, I'm going to start by looking at what you're doing right now and see why it's not working. And I'm going to give you, based on your goals, your needs, what you're selling, a custom step-by-step roadmap so you too can leverage YouTube to get higher paying customers. And I'm also going to show you how, instead of selling your time, you can sell info products, online courses. No matter what it is that you sell currently, you can turn it into a course. Now, spots are limited, and it's not some fake salesy urgency. I'm busy. I can't take 100 calls a day, you know, I take calls myself. And also, I don't know for how long I'm going to keep making this offer because I'm working on a few different projects as well. So if I were you, I would just go right now, link in the description, secure my spot, and I'll talk to you on the call. It's always better to receive one-to-one human feedback as opposed to just passively watching a piece of content, but then you have all these questions and no one to answer them. The other reason why making YouTube content is so powerful, and when I say YouTube content, by the way, I'm talking specifically about long-form content. Shorts don't make money. They suck ass. Like, seriously. On YouTube, I got like millions of views on shorts. They never made me any money. The only time I actually recommend that you do shorts is if you're really getting a new channel off the ground and you're really struggling to get traction on the channel with only long-form content. But ideally, if you can only make long-form content, it is better. Because people who watch shorts often just watch more shorts. People who watch long-form videos, they're the kind of people who buy. Well, guess what? they watch more long form videos. I never watch shorts. I only watch long form videos. Even Alex Hormozy made that discovery himself. In many of his videos, he explained that they posted shorts and they hoped that, it was like a funnel. People would watch the shorts and then watch the long form videos and then buy. But in reality, the shorts, like if you can post as much as they did to make yourself famous, great, do it. But if you can't, they're kind of fucking worthless. You might as well just make the long form content and then get buyers. And then when you're making 100K, 200K per month, if you want to make yourself famous to then get a lot more warm leads easily, like Alex Hormozy is doing, then fine, do that. But right now, that's probably not what you should be focusing on, because like it needs such a huge fucking budget. You'd better spend that money on just Facebook ads, really. Typical direct response marketing will give you better results for where you are right now. But typically, the other reason why it is so powerful to make YouTube content is because you can run some YouTube retargeting ads. Now, YouTube ads, in my experience, they are just more expensive than Facebook ads, but retargeting ads are still cheaper in general than, cold traffic ads. It's pretty obvious as to why. If people trust you, like you, they've seen you before, they just click more easily and they buy more easily. Because on average, you need like 7 touch points or 7 hours of content for someone to buy from you. So when they get hit with your retargeting ads constantly, well, now they get into your world more and more, they finally buy. A lot of people, most people in fact, don't buy the first time they see your product. It does not happen. That doesn't mean you can't be profitable with cold traffic campaigns. You absolutely can. But you'd be leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't run retargeting ads. And especially running retargeting ads to the people who've watched your content, it's really powerful. Because a lot of people, they watch your content, but they don't necessarily take action unless you remind them to take action. That's why you want to have a call to action in your fucking videos. I see plenty of people, they don't have a call to action. And then they're like, I'm not getting any bookings, I'm not getting any sales, I'm not getting leads. Well, do you even tell people what to do? How do they know to work with you if you don't tell them? They're not going to. And even when you do tell people, on average, I have 6% of people who click the link in my videos, who go on the next page. And I tell people multiple times in each video. That's only 6% of my viewers. It's not that much. So you can't really remind people too often. And if you are afraid that some people are going to get pissed at you because you remind them, hey, click the link in the description, book a call, or buy my program, buy my product, well, I mean, you don't want these people in your audience anyway, because they were never going to buy anything from you anyway. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The other reason why making YouTube long-form videos as a business owner is so crucial is because when people come from your ads, let's say you do cold traffic meta ads, a lot of people will actually Google you. Most people, like we said earlier, they don't buy the first time they see you. That's like hooking up with somebody the first time you see them. Some people do it, most people don't. I would never do it. So you should expect that most people are gonna Google you a little bit and expect to see you around a few times before they buy your stuff. Especially if your stuff is high ticket, it's expensive. People need more trust than to buy a $7 thing. So if these people see that, oh, you've got a YouTube channel, you've posted like once a week for like the past couple months, the past couple years, and you've got, a few thousand subs, now you have a lot more authority and trust in their eyes automatically. And then they watch some of your content, and then a few months later, they might book a call or buy your product from YouTube directly. But you would have lost those people if you hadn't made the content. And that's the reason why you see guys like Alex Hormozy, he was big on ads, but then he started making lots of content. It's not because he wanted to be famous, he did not. But he did it because it's such a genius business strategy when you can afford to do it. But I'm telling you, like people like Alex and Leila Hormozy would not bother making content and so much of it if it wasn't giving them a great return on their investment. They're business people. They're not wannabe entertainment influencers. And the other thing you gotta understand is that to make sales from your content, you don't need to have millions of followers. You don't need to be Mr. Beast or Alex Hormozy. You don't need any of that. I've got like not even 6,000 subs on this YouTube channel. And the funny thing is that most channels will never even reach 1,000 subs. And I've got like 15 channels, and I probably have like 5 or 6 or even 7 of them past 1,000 subs. So I've done like 5 to 7 times what most people never achieve. It's not that difficult. I mean, especially if you post shorts, you'll get the 1,000 subs within a year. You will. And that's like if you don't get much traction at all. But from that, even if you only get a few hundred views per YouTube video on average, you will still get leads and customers. And if you sell something high ticket, you already know that you don't need a lot of customers to make a lot of money. If your offer is 5K, 10K, you get 2 sales a month. I mean, you're making between 10 to 20K per month. And then you can reinvest all that money into ads, grow even faster, or improve your content. Now, if you sell something low ticket, then yeah, it is going to be pretty difficult on YouTube unless you get a lot of views. Because the traffic quality is not the same as Facebook. Like ads specifically. Ads are very direct. Like the algorithm, especially Facebook, you can target buyers specifically. You can tell Facebook, I want a campaign optimized for sales. When you make a YouTube video, like you can't say, hey, I'm going to post this YouTube video, but only show it to people from this country, in this age range, with this income, and who can afford to buy it, and who want to buy it now. Doesn't happen. The closest thing to that is going to meta ads. But these are basically all the reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel, even if you only post once a week as a business owner. Believe me, when you do that, you will thank yourself later. Because nowadays, having a YouTube channel, it's like having a website. If you don't have one, people think you're kind of sketchy. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.